What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're keto, my name is John, and I'm gonna kick this vlog off in just a minute. But first, if you haven't already hit that subscribe, click subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when I do future videos, if you are enjoying the content of this channel. Tweaked my back a little bit ago, a few days ago, so I'm getting ready to do some yoga with Lindsay, try to stretch it out a little bit. It is feeling better, but not quite all the way there. We should have a fun day planned today, and we'll definitely bring you guys along for the ride. Talk to you guys in just a minute. Man, that was a tough workout. So I started by jogging around my neighborhood, kind of get the blood flowing, and then I went downstairs, did some boxing, and then I finished up with some sprints. Now, my back is kind of hurt, guys, and I pushed myself probably way too hard. Don't be like me, don't be dumb. I never listen to my body. I always push myself too hard, and I end up getting injured, and I never heal correctly because of it. So literally, don't listen to me, guys. I'm just so stubborn. I gotta feel like if I feel that if I take one day off, I'm like hindering my progress in my fitness, and I just hate that. Just make sure that you let yourself heal when you're injured. I did not, but I got a great workout in, dripping sweat, and now hopefully we'll get into something fun. All right, guys, unfortunately Lindsay had a migraine for a while, so she had to lay down, try to get the feeling better, but she does seem to be feeling better now, so I'm having myself a little keto cocktail. And I think we're gonna go ahead across the street to this pool hall and play some pool, just kill some time before we go eat. There's this place called Joy Walk, and they have all you can eat crab legs, and so we're gonna go hit up some crab legs tonight. So. What's up, you guys? All right, so we went and played some pool. That was pretty cool. Hung out for a little bit over there, and now we're getting ready to head into Walmart.
Oh, don't remind him. I whooped your butt.
Anyways, she cheats. She goes and like around the table and starts knocking balls in when she doesn't even hit them in. But anyways, I should have videotaped that. We're going into Walmart to grab a couple of things. Lindsay hates Walmart, but they do have some really good keto products here. We're going to go in here to get some pork rinds, actually. It's ironic. It's not, she loves these buffalo pork rinds that they have here, Max buffalo pork rinds. So we're going to go and see what they got. every time we go in there, we have a game plan. We're like, we're going to go in here for some pork rinds. And all of a sudden we get all kinds of stuff. But that's okay. I felt kind of good because there was a lady in there that needed some assistance. And I had these big, strong muscles. Boom! So she asked me to put some, what was it, bottled water in her cart. It was like a really huge pack. So.
I don't know. How'd you fit that head in my car?
We are getting ready to head to this place called Joy Walk to get something to eat, guys. I'm getting pretty hungry myself. Lindsay's definitely hangry, and they got all-you-can-eat crab legs. So hopefully this clip makes it, because I know Lindsay turned the car on, and usually that messes up my phone, but we'll see. Okay, the moment we have been waiting for. I'm so excited to go in here and get some crab legs. We have not had crab legs in quite some time, and I'm ready to throw down on them. It's all you can eat, baby. I don't think they've met me before. I can eat a lot. Ready?
I wore a white shirt.
That was a bad decision. I almost did too. I had to switch it up. That was awesome. Alright guys, that was a whole lot of food, man. I got a pretty good first big plate and then killed some crab legs. Definitely kept it as keto as possible. You got to be careful coming to these places because they put a lot of hidden sugars in the sauces. I mean, there's tons of sugar, or they use things in there like cornstarch in their sauces, so you got to be careful. So I just kind of taste it. If it's real sweet, I won't finish it, but I just kind of try to keep it meat. Like, got some salmon, some beef. You know, and the crab legs was obviously good. And they actually had a pretty cool section of just like raw fish, avocado, spicy mayo. So that was spot on. So, did you enjoy dinner?
I ate crab ragoon or 3.
She did. Man, dinner was so good. I am stuffed. I think we're getting ready to just hang out at the house, watch some TV, and probably watch one of our favorite shows on Hulu and just hang out. Tomorrow is Memorial Day, so we're probably going to have a barbecue over here, cook lots of food, see my family. So I'm excited for that, but I'm probably going to go ahead and close this video out right now. So if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, guys. Thank you all who are subscribed already. I do appreciate you all. Don't forget to follow me on social media at i.f.yourketo on Facebook and Instagram, or both. We'll talk to you guys soon. Life's too short, so have a fantastic night.